I'll be with you in a minute.
Game started.
Oh, game started. Oh, game. Shit.
Alright, you gotta throw it straight into the flag room.
Hey, get ready.
Which you're hooking straight in.
Toby, do not shoot anybody in the back.
We're about to have some bottom more. Throw it.
This
Come
is
on.
some discipline shit right here.
Throw it. No, man, back up.
Go. Hey, someone get on this wall and cover. You. Go. I'm on you.
Backside, backside.
Hey, get the flag!
Get the flag, swing it.
Hey, in here, in here.
Caleb, get the flag. Caleb. Flag up.
Go.
Hey, they're coming on the trail. Trail.
Take her down. Logan, call out if you have anybody moving. Cover this. Come in here. Come in here. Come in. Right here. Get in this corner and watch this way. Get back in this.
Right here?
Yep.
You got one.
There you go.
You got one barricade straight ahead.
Yeah, I know. Get your gun up.
Right.
Right here on this wall.
Got it.
They're in the second room right here.
One's hit. Behind brown building right here.
Yeah, I know. Hold that. Hold that brown building.
You got another one coming left.
Turn it down, turn it down.
There's no way I haven't hit him. Left side, back barricade.
Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Cover, cover. Crossing. Good shit, dude. Good shit.
Coming for it. Pushing left. He's coming for it. Hit, hit, hit!
Turn it down. In here.